Welcome back once again. So this plantain has been sitting in the kitchen for quite some weeks and they refused to get ripe for me to fry. Instead of trashing, I decided to make a meal out of it, which I will be sharing with you in this video. So stay tuned and keep watching. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Please do that for me right now. Thanks so much. Okay, keep watching. I'll be right back. These are the kind of food we enjoy most in some part of Africa, especially when it's accompanied with the right soup. What kind of soup will you be taking this week? Watch this video to the end. You might be inspired to use mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new on my channel, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell, watch more videos from me, share my video. Till I come your way next time, stay safe and remain blessed. Thank you. Bye.